Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenous Ideas. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install VS Code on a Mac. How you can install VS Code on a Mac. So the first thing you want to do is to go to code.visualstudio.com. An alternative route is to go through Google. You can just say VS Code download. So you can see this first search result item over here. So it will bring you here. So this one is taking you to the download page directly. So this is taking you to the home page. You can see download Mac Universal the stable build. So what you have to do is just to click on this button over here. If you want to select, you can see Mac OS. You can download the stable one. If you're on Windows, download this one. If you're on Linux, you can download any of these, the Debian distribution. But I'm on a Mac, so you have to click on this to download. So, and if you are coming through Google, it's still the same thing. Just look for your operating system. For this one, you can see this universal package over here. So just click on whichever you can just click on this one and you are good to go. So it will start the download. So thank you for downloading VS Code for Mac. You wait for some minutes. You can see it has started the download. So I'm going to cancel this download because I've downloaded this package to my device initially. So cancel, but you have to wait till it finishes downloading. Now I'm going to open the folder in my device where I've stored the download. Okay, so this is the folder where I have the VS Code installer. This is it over here. So all you have to do is just to click on it and just wait a bit. So the reason why it is bringing up this interface is because I've installed VS Code on this device initially. So because of this video, I had to delete and reinstall. So these are I was using it for Python development initially. So you can see this is just what the VS Code will look like. If you are opening yours for the first time, at this edge over here, it might be showing you some options to select your theme and all that. So that is it basically for installing VS Code. So what you want to do when you start this is to open a new file, a new folder, or create a new file. So you can use this button over here, this link over here, create the new file. Call it a text file. So it will create an empty text file. The first thing you want to do, for example, is to save it using Command S. So you can save as say first.html. So you can save it on your Mac, or you choose the folder here and you click on save. You can see it has changed the tag over here. So you can just HTML, you can choose HTML5, and basically that is it. Let me just put in an H1 tag and say this is the first element. Okay, so use Command S to save. For us to view what this document is, maybe via the web browser or something, you can just click on it, your two fingers, then you copy path. So now that my path is copied, I'll come to the web browser. Which web browser we use that time? I hate Mac. Like this one. So you come to your web browser, you paste it, Command V. So you can see this is exactly what you have in the VS Code. So basically that is how to install VS Code on your MacBook. So that is all for installing VS Code on your MacBook. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.